Now, a lot of people out there are gonna be like, well, that's not a motorcycle. Sean, that's not even a motorcycle. Yo, right, so what? So what? It doesn't have 2 wheels. That's fine. What's up, guys? Sean here from Srkcycles.com, and we have a 2015 Can Am F3 with the Can Am SHAD, I guess you can call them shad bags, acropovic exhaust. The F3 is a mean looking Can Am. If you want to know how mean it is, check it out. Check this out. Sucker's mean. All right. Enough of that. Fox Racing shocks. These things are fun too. This thing has 13,000 miles. And press the mode button. Start it. Now this one's got floorboards instead of the pegs, but they lean in a good spot. You can actually adjust these things up and down off the rails. It's pretty cool to fit almost anybody. Take the e-brake off. That's good. All your braking is down here on your floor. No handbrake. Don't know what that button is. Don't know what that is. And what I really like about these, the newer Can Ams, is traction control doesn't kick in right away. So, you know what that means. Yeah! All right, guys, words of wisdom, Proverbs 20:22. Do not say, I will repay evil. Wait for the Lord, and he will save you. If someone does evil to you, and you want to repay him, I'm going to get him back, man. I'm going to get him back so good. I'm going to give him, you know, whatever he did to me, I'm going to give it back to him. And, you know, just got to let it go. God will be your redeemer. He will avenge you. I guess it's not revenge when it's God, it's justice. Let's do it again. Yeah! That is fun. That is fun. That is an adjustable. I just noticed that windshield. It looks like it's somewhat adjustable. I don't know. Maybe it's just easy to take off from the things on the side. The Can Ams will downshift themselves. It matches the revs and downshifts itself. Seats are nice and comfy. And the newer ones are even 6 speeds. I don't need to be in 6 speed right now. A lot of people want to know, they're like, are Can Ams reliable? Absolutely. I've seen Can Ams, but I've not had any Can Ams at real high miles. I've had them with like 30 or 40, but I've heard them do over 100,000. They are reliable. They are made, the engine's made of Rotax. It's a Austrian motor. You've heard of Rotax. They've been making engines for a long time. They make a very good engine. They are belt driven. There is no major issues that I've heard with Can Ams. Now, there was one time on an older Can Am that I had to replace the shock, and because it was the airbag system. This one does not have the airbag system. That was on an RT Limited. And it wasn't cheap. It was like $1,000 to replace the air shock on it, which is not horrible. That was at like 30,000 miles. You know, you gotta pay to play type of thing. Let's go this way. Now, a lot of people are gonna say, oh, okay, so I think they are absolutely reliable. What's nice is there's a great network for the Can-Ams. I mean, you know, it's a BRP, but it's a Polaris product. There's Polaris dealers all over the country. There's a lot of Can-Ams out there, so it's not like you're buying anything brand new. They started I think they started making not slingshots, these Spyders in 08, late 2000s. So they've been around for a while. They've been perfecting them. They've been getting them better. They pretty much just get them. They get smoother. They get a little bit more tech, and they get safer, and they get more powerful. And they've been getting more gears. And in terms of the F3, I feel like the F3 is stylish. It's super stylish. Because I love that front end. That front end is mean. These things are comfortable. You can get a lot of accessories for them. Tons of accessories. If you want to accessorize these things, there's tons of cool stuff that you could do to them. Now, a lot of people out there are going to be like, well, that's not a motorcycle. Sean, that's not even a motorcycle. Yeah, right, so what? So what? It doesn't have two wheels. That's fine. If you don't want to buy a Can-Am, no one's making you buy a Can-Am. This isn't like Nazi Germany. You got to buy the Can-Am. That's a horrible German impersonation. But, you know what I mean? Like, no one, you don't have to buy it. You know? But there's a lot of people out there that this gets them on the road. This gets them having fun. This gets them drifting sideways in the snow, which I've done in a Can-Am. Tons of fun. Tons of fun. Now, on the even more newer Can-Ams, you can actually turn off traction control completely. Like 2017, and that's cool. I think the Can-Am is a much more affordable and better riding. It's close with the Honda Goldwing trike, but it's definitely more affordable than like a Goldwing trike. These handle better. These do handle better than two wheels on the back. They are more stable. It's a pretty wide front end. It's not quite as wide as a car, but it's pretty wide. And it's got a big old giant back tire on the back. So guys, these things are a lot of fun. I like them. Would I ever own one? I don't know. I'm a motorcycle guy. I mean, if I'm owning whatever I want, after like 17 motorcycles that I keep for myself, you know, maybe I'd buy a Can-Am. But I could see for a lot of people, a Can-Am makes more sense to ride than a motorcycle. They're not for everybody, but if they're for you, I think they're a great option. If two wheels is getting a little heavy for you, if two wheels is getting a little bit unstable, but you want to keep on riding, I think Can-Am's a great way to go. Alright guys, that wraps it up, the test drive. I'm Sean from Srkcycles. Remember, it's not what you're riding, but where are you going. This Can-Am is for sale as of right now. Check out our website, srkcycles.com, to see what other awesome bikes we have for sale. We ship bikes all over the country. Alright guys, see you later. What's up guys, I'm Sean. Thanks for watching that great video. And as always, click down here to subscribe. And here's the next fun video for you guys to watch. We'll see you guys next time.
And that wasn't far enough away.
And I had no clue. I'm just gonna tell you guys to back off. Train your bikes and listen, it's not what you're riding, but where are you going. We'll see you guys later. We're